Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Friday. So excited. I love Fridays. It always seems like there's a bigger movement in the market on Fridays and Mondays. So pretty excited today. Just getting ready, kind of setting things up. So let me show you what I set up. So this is how it's looking this morning. And if you watched my live trading video for Wednesday, I did call it coming up to 1550. Unfortunately, yesterday I wasn't around to trade it, or I could have made a good 2,000 bucks, but had to do other things yesterday. So we'll see where silver goes. My guess is it's trying to go all the way to 17 before back down, but we will see. So I might jump in on that later today if the price falls a little bit more. Right here you're looking at cocoa, and you can see I kind of set up some stuff with it. And you can see that narrow kind of passage that the prices have been moving in lately. So I'm setting up pre-buy and pre-short orders. I don't know where cocoa's going to go. I have a guess. My guess is probably up, but I have no idea. So because I have no idea, I'm going to set up on both sides. So if it goes up, I make money. If it goes down, I make money. So that's why you see 4 orders that way, 4 orders that way. So we will see where it goes. As long as it moves, I'm happy. So I'm hoping it moves about 100 points today. It's already moved 30. So we will see and see where that goes. On cocoa, it literally just hit one of those pre-orders. So now that that is filled, the above order at 23.45 becomes the stop loss for these two contracts. So I'm going to leave that top one in place, and then if it does go up, it will hit that stop loss and take me out of the market. And then if it continues to go up, I'm going to buy 2 more contracts and keep going with it, hopefully all the way up. Now the only goal I have is that it keeps in with a trend. That's my goal, so we'll see. Down 120 bucks. You know, don't get scared when you see a loss here. You know, plan what your loss is. Know what this calculation is, and make sure you're okay and comfortable with that kind of a loss. And then you just sit back and wait and hope that you were right. So I just jumped in on soybean meal short. It broke the resistance or the support on that end. So I placed a stop loss. And to do that, I kind of just looked at these top points here. Price seems to go up but not go over that. So I placed the stop loss here. If the price shoots up and starts coming up, then it'll kick me out of the market in here and I'll lose a few $100. But my goal is, remember, you need to know 2 things before you trade anything. Number 1, what does success look like? Number 2, what does failure look like? So this is my failure line, and success is going to be probably today anywhere below into here, right? If it breaks this, then it will probably continue going down into the 80 pricing. So we'll see, 28 something. So this, right around in this ballpark, I'm probably going to step out and then place another order underneath it and jump back in if it does break that. So those are the 2 things that are going to happen. Either A, it's going to come down to here and sell it, anywhere in here, or B, it's going to come up to here and I'm going to buy it back and get out. So 50-50. We'll see how it goes. So I just pulled out a cocoa. It's only been literally 15 minutes of trading, but was very sick yesterday and in the hospital. So today, still feeling that same pain. So I pulled myself out and just gonna walk out with 170 bucks for the day for 15 minutes so I can catch my breath and relax. Still think cocoa's gonna keep going down. I always hate walking away from a trade, but when you start feeling pretty sick or anything else happening in your life that you need to go do, just get out. Trade another day when you feel better. I was throwing up all yesterday and kind of feel like going and doing that again. So like I said, take your money and leave and turn the computer off and come back to it on Monday. As you can see, cocoa keeps going down. Could have made some good money, I'm sure, today, but No point crying over it. 170 bucks, pretty good. I just finished day trading for the week, and yesterday, as you know, I was a little bit sick, so I really only traded 4 days, or I would call it 3.5, because I only did about 15 minutes today, because I'm still not feeling the best. Yeah, if you can hear the shortness of breath, that's something going on with the gallbladder. Probably needs to be removed. So how much money did I make in 3.5 days trading? Well, let me tell you. So from the numbers, total revenue was $18.35 in gross profit, and then minus it by commissions, and I had $213.34 in commission fees. So when you trade more volume, the fees go up, per contract that you trade, but pretty reasonable amount. So my net profit on the week is $16.21.66. So pretty good if you convert that into my language in my country. That's a paycheck of $2,284.34.